welcome back. 7-Eleven. Barbara Heller is our guest this morning, and she says she's been on at least 75 blind dates.
I can't wait to ask her about that one. Those experiences are just a small part of her new musical endeavor. It's called Finding Barb, and we want to welcome you, Barbara, to the show. And
she might have found Bob, too.
Yeah, that's what
I should say that. My mom's from New York, and she calls me Barbara. And I actually say that in the show, Barbara, B-O-B-R-A.
I love that.
Yeah. Tell us about this show, Finding Barb.
Okay, so it's a musical that I wrote about my life. It's about a girl who's trying to get out of these boxes that people put her in, you know, her parents and her teachers, and then as she grows older and she gets out of the house, she finds other boxes that she could fit herself into. And so she's trying to find this like comfortable space between, you know, where she came from and where she went and where she wants to go or grow. And so along the way, I think what's different about my story is that I dated 100 different guys on Match Made Dates. That is true. Wow. It wasn't a reality show. And then I also became a more observant Jew along the way. I grew up very secular, and so that was kind of an interesting flop. You know, most people don't go towards religion. They kind of run away from it as they get older. So I thought it would be an interesting thing to write about.
And here's some of the video of Finding Barb. Describe to us what we're looking at.
This is a song actually called Fit Into the Box, where I meet a rabbi, a religious rabbi, and he says, all you have to do to make all your dreams come true is just learn what's in this book, and you're going to have a great life. And, you know, for a lot of people that actually does work. And I met some of those people along the way, and I learned tons of wisdom, which helped me a lot. And I'm singing. I don't know if you can hear sound on that, but yeah, so.
I'm dying to know.
100
days. I gotta know how that
works. So when you're observant and you're Jewish, you get set up on these dates.
Right.
So I actually went out with 100 different guys, not on purpose. I never would have started out saying, oh, I want to, you know, go out with 100 guys. But I had a dating diary, and I would write down little things about them and, you know, their names, because a lot of Jewish names sound alike. So I wouldn't want to date the same mismatched guy twice. And I'd write little things like, you know, funny things that they'd say, like one guy told me he was the Messiah. Another guy told me he was gay, like on a date with a woman. So I thought these were really funny yet horrific stories that, you know, either I'd look at and cry about one day, or I could make people laugh with. And hopefully, you know, it is making a lot of people laugh and bringing joy. So I guess it was worth it.
Yeah, and it's not a one-woman show. You've got other folks in there with you.
Yes, I do. Thank you. We have my co-star, David Scales, who is tremendously talented. He plays 19 different characters.
Wow.
Yeah, including rabbis and my dad and little boys. He's amazing. He works a lot harder than me, and he makes me a much better actor. We also have Rachel Applebaum, who plays 3 different original puppets in the show, which is a little bit of an homage to Avenue Q, because I'm obsessed with that show. And then we also have my director, Eva Minamar, who is currently in Italy directing the La Lupa Theater Festival. She's phenomenal. She'll be back soon. And then Avi Avliav is the main composer. He wrote all the music with me, and I wrote the lyrics. He's super funny, and he's actually on stage with us and interacts with us, which is kind of a nice twist to a musical. And then we got super lucky and have Katie Thompson, who wrote 2 full songs for us. She wrote the music and the lyrics to 2 songs, and she's in New York, and she writes lots of musical theater. So I feel very blessed to have this incredible casting crew.
Fantastic.
Well, I just want to know that if you've gone out with 100 guys and you're up there on stage, you have to be a little nervous that you're going to look out and see one of them in the audience.
They've come. Oh. A couple of them have been there, because we, you know, some of us remain friends, and you know, when someone tells you like they're gay on a date, you get really. I mean, I just have that, like, people want to tell me things, so you know, you get close with them, and I'm not like a mean person, like I don't never want to see you again.
Sure.
So yeah, some of them have come, which has been a little awkward but rewarding, and I don't know if they can all tell like who they are. I mean, they've been loosely based on reality, so.
Oh, that sounds good. And writing the music, the lyrics, how long does that process take you?
So I started writing the show about 4 years ago with the diary. I was like, whenever I go on a bad date and I was getting to like 75, 85, I was like, oh my God, like really? You know, like pray, really? You know, because I believe in God. And I would just write them on my Mac. And then one day my sister looked at me, and you know, she's like my best friend. She said, you have to write this. It's time. And it was like, I just started compiling it. So we actually had a workshop last year where it was half the time. Now it's almost an hour and a half. And last year it was 45 minutes. And we opened on Valentine's Day, dating show, and at the Lounge here in Hollywood. And it was great. And we sold out every night. So we thought, let's make this bigger. So we actually, really just kept writing and writing and writing, and it became a full musical. So.
And we do have information about the show.
Yes.
And for more information, you can go to our website, kcal9.com, and click Seen on TV. And Barb, we want to thank you so much for coming and joining us this morning. It sounds like a lot of fun.
Thank you. You can also go to the FindingBarbShow.com website and get tickets. And we'll be playing until January 10th, 7 more Thursdays. So please come.
That's
get
great.
tickets. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Way to go, Barbara. All right.
A lot of fun and a lot of fun things to do today on this
Yeah.
great weather.
Yeah, we're going to get down.